Ray from Tsumami Kanzashi School Online. We provide the Japanese traditional tsumami zaiku techniques in English. Let's make Sakura Kanzashi together. Prepare the tools and materials. Check the bio for details. First, dye the cloth for the sakura petals. Dye the four corners of the cloth. By doing this, the center of the petals will be dyed. Try to dye the same amount of area as possible. Be careful as it will bleed. Dye the rest in the same way. Let's make 3 pieces of wired base. Pick up 16mm round base and make a hole in the center with a gimlet. Round the end of the wire with a round nose pliers and bend it to a right angle. Insert the wire from the top with the gray part facing upward and attach it with a craft glue. Stack 2 pieces of 12mm round base on top of it to make a gap. This will change the angle of the center of the flower and make it look flatter and wider. Make 2 small sizes of it in the same way. Knead the glue until it becomes soft and spread it to a thickness of 2mm. For more details on kneading glue, please refer to the free trial lesson. Let's make sakura petals by deforming the end of the marutsumami, the round-shaped tsumami. Make 1 large sakura and 2 small ones. Hold the tweezers like a pencil. Hold the cloth with other hand so that the corner is up like this. Pinch 1mm above the corners of the cloth. Fold up in half. Turn the cloth around and pinch 1mm above the corner. Fold down in half. Pinch 1mm above the corner. 1 layer comes on top and 2 layers comes on the bottom. Place your index finger between the 2 bottom layers and push up the cloth. Remove the tweezers by pinching the tips. Pinch 2mm of the center and lift up the tweezers to make a dent. Put a little glue on the tip of the tweezers. Put glue on the outside of the petal and make a sakura shape by pinching the tweezers with the cloth. Make sure to pinch the center of the petal. This will give a tip a sakura shape. Soak the petal into the glue. Make sure that the petal is firmly in the glue. Make the rest of the cloth in the same way. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Now, place the petals on the base in the order you made. Put glue on the base. Pick up the petal with tweezers and place it on the base. Place the second petal on the base in a counterclockwise direction. Try to keep the center as tight as possible. Adjust the petals evenly. It may help to use your fingers to puff the petals out. Check the flower from the side to make sure that the surface is flat. Check the back of the flowers to make sure it is not off-center. Make the other two flowers in the same way. Let's make the flower core. Cut the artificial stamen into appropriate lengths. Put craft glue in the center and attach the artificial stamens in a radial pattern. Put craft glue in the center and place the pearl on top of it. Make the rest of them in the same way. Now they are all made. Let it dry well. If you want to assemble into kanzashi, check the link in the bio. The full version video is on our online school and you can get it for free by using the coupon code.